can't do that anymore. And what I feel inside of me is a longing for the sea. I've still got sand in my shoes and some rhythm and blues to remind me of where I'm from. The Thames and rondelles and those sweet southern bells singing all my favorite songs. I've still got sand in my shoes. My friends hear me talk about that old boardwalk, and they all think that I'm insane. But they ain't never done a good shack dance, and they don't know the words to the songs I sing. I've still got sand in my shoes and some rhythm and blues to remind me of where I'm from. The Thames and rondelles and those sweet southern bells singing all my favorite songs. I've still got sand in my shoes. Maybe I can go back one of these days and feel that salty mist hit my face, and watch the waves as they kiss the sand, while walking with my baby hand in hand. I've still got sand in my shoes and some rhythm and blues to remind me where I'm from. The Thames and rondelles and the sweet southern bells singing all my favorite songs. I've still got sand in my shoes and some rhythm and blues to remind me of where I'm from. The Thames and rondelles, the sweet southern bells singing all my favorite songs. I've still got sand in my shoes. Thank you very much. Thank you.